Well folks, we are ready for fall at the farm. Fall is a great time for planting, especially all of your perennials. We do have a little bit of a selection of herbs, so your parsley, your oregano, your basil, if you need to refresh your basil before the end of the year too. Lettuces and kale and chard, so fall greens and salad, we've got all that in stock as well. Probably a couple of the outstanding things this year, we've gone ahead and grown some large lavenders, and they look absolutely beautiful. Really at their peak as far as getting them in the ground to plant. Some are blooming, most of them are just ready to go straight in the ground. Nice thing with planting this time of year, very little watering, if anything, which is quite different to planting in spring the next year. The roots are all developed through the container. They go in the ground and they'll grow roots all fall long. They'll perk back up in spring and get ready. They'll just be a really robust plant ready for next year. Much easier to get it through the summertime. So do have some rosemaries as well, but quite a lot of lavenders. The other one would be the butterfly bushes. Now a lot of folks don't like butterfly bushes because they just get so big. Most of what we have in stock are the dwarf varieties. So instead of that 5 to 6 feet, they're going to be around 2 to 2.5 feet. Don't have a space in the yard. These work really well in containers also. Butterflies are on them all the time as well, so really nice one to have for pollinators and for your butterflies as well. A couple other things, the Fall Herb Fair is coming up. That's Saturday, September 21st. Free classes, all the plants are available for you too. Great time to come on out and get ready and planted for the fall. Hope to see you at the farm soon.